the Lian Li Strimer. Hey guys, how's it going? Another visual inspection of what's inside the box of the Lian Li Strimer. Just to show you what we've got here today, I am unboxing the 8-pin here. Now, notice the 8-pin much longer compared to the 24. I have two boxes here. Inside there's really nothing aside from the cable, the strimmer, and the manual. Now, next part, interesting for you guys out there buying this in pairs. As you'll see, the 24 pin, actually the 24 pin, a lot shorter. However, it comes with the controller. So if ever you're confused as to how this is, just keep in mind it'll always be the 24 pin which holds the current controller. Peace guys, we'll catch you next time.